Hey, everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Many states are opening back up and COVID restrictions are being lifted. That is going to cause a lot of traveling. Me and my husband are traveling at the end of this year, and I know a lot of other people that are going places too. Now, it's more than just booking the hotel and booking the airplane or train ticket. You have to get everything from point A to point V. This video is the top 5 gifts on what to get a traveler in your life. But hold up. Pause this video real quick. Let me see who actually knows my videos. Pause this for 5 seconds. Let's see. What am I about to say? Pause. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know that keeps your girl going. So we about to sit back, relax, and we about to get onto this. But comment down below, what is the first place that you're going to travel to that all COVID restrictions are being lifted and you can finally relax and enjoy yourself? So let's get on to this. After the hotel reservations are booked and the airplane tickets are bought, you're going to need bags to pack your clothes and things in. I don't know about you, but for me, the longer the vacation, the more bags and things I need. This travel collection has every bag that you could think of so that you could put everything in its own place. And this duffel bag is perfect for your on-flight carry-on bag. Plus, use these packing cubes to help you stay organized while you are packing and to prevent things from rolling around in the bag. Now that all the big items are packed, it is time to pack all of the small items such as your makeup or toiletries. Make sure that your toothpaste or foundation don't get lost in your suitcase with these personalized traveling cases. One handy way to keep everything organized and in full view in your hotel bathroom is a hanging toiletry bag. Hang the bag in the bathroom to have easy access to whatever you need. One of the worst things that can happen to you while traveling is your flight gets delayed and your cell phone, laptop, or tablet dies. Or if your luggage is a certain weight and then you are hit with unexpected fees. By having this portable charger and digital luggage scale, these obstacles become obsolete. Bring a little bit of traveling home with you. Now, I don't mean no keychain or t-shirt. Let's get something a little more different and personalized. How about a glass with a map of your favorite city? Or a color-it-yourself map of the world. This is a fun and easy way to get your children excited to travel back home so that they can color the mug in. Speaking of maps, if you are an avid traveler, I feel for you since COVID forced everyone to stay in their home or wherever they were. Now that you can travel, make your mark literally in the world using these maps. Pin or scratch the locations that you have been to while you plan your next adventures. I want to hear something funny real quickly. I just recorded something, not recorded something. I was talking to my camera without it being recorded. But I know you're like, girl, Gigi, stop it. I know. But coming off of the year 2020, nobody would have ever thought in the beginning of 2020 that it was going to be such a devastating year. But where there are negatives, there are always positives. My positive take out of 2020 is to appreciate the little moments and the little memories that were made, the good ones. So go ahead and travel. Me, myself, I want to learn how to do a stand-up paddle boating. First, I gotta learn how to swim. Yes, I don't know how to swim. I know how to float, but I don't know how to swim. I also want to go camping again. I've been camping many times in the past. Now, I also made a video on the best camping gear and things such as house goods that you can buy for your loved ones. So go check that one out. Now, if you don't want to travel, try learning another language or Go to a site where you can visit a virtual museum or zoo. Just enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet, it is opening up your heart. Be safe out there. Sending you all my love. Gigi out.